Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to share Instagram story from PC. We start by opening Instagram on our PC, and then we enter the profile that interests us. Next, click on the profile photo to see the stories. Within the story that we want to share, click on the lower direct message icon. After that, we can select a contact and share the story. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. If we go to the messages section, we can check that we have shared it. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.